Yamaha V-Max 17-0 is one of the most powerful and iconic muscle motorcycles ever built. This bike is famous around the world for its aggressive design, massive V4 engine, and incredible acceleration. When riders talk about motorcycles that deliver pure power and excitement, the Yamaha V-Max 17-0 is always part of that conversation. This motorcycle was designed for riders who want something extraordinary, something that stands out on the road, and delivers a thrilling riding experience every time the throttle is opened. The design of the Yamaha V-Max 17-0 is bold, muscular, and extremely aggressive. From the front to the rear, every part of the bike looks powerful. The wide fuel tank, large air intakes, and strong aluminum frame give the motorcycle a futuristic muscle bike appearance. When this bike is parked on the street, people immediately notice it because it looks different from ordinary motorcycles. It has a powerful stance that makes it look like a machine built for speed and performance. Another thing that makes the Yamaha V-Max 17-0 special is the sound and personality of its engine. The deep roar of the V4 engine creates a strong and exciting feeling for riders. When the engine starts, the sound itself tells you that this is not a normal motorcycle. It feels powerful, aggressive, and full of energy. Many motorcycle enthusiasts say that the V-Max is not just a bike, it is an experience. The history of the V-Max name also adds to its legendary reputation. The earlier model, the Yamaha V-Max 1400, became famous in the 1980s because of its strong acceleration and unique design. Yamaha decided to continue that legacy by creating a more modern, more powerful, and more advanced version. That vision led to the creation of the V-Max 17-0, which took the muscle bike concept to a completely new level. Before we continue with the detailed review of this incredible motorcycle, let me quickly introduce our channel. Welcome to Future Cars, the place where we explore the most powerful cars, bikes, and futuristic vehicles from around the world. On this channel you will find detailed reviews, powerful engine stories, new vehicle launches, and exciting automotive technology. Our goal is to bring you closer to the machines that represent speed, innovation, and performance. If you enjoy powerful vehicles and exciting automotive content, make sure to support the channel by liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to Future Cars. Your support helps us continue creating detailed reviews and amazing stories about some of the most incredible vehicles ever built. Now let's continue and explore the amazing details of the Yamaha V-Max 17-0. The heart of the Yamaha V-Max 17-0 is its massive 1,679cc liquid-cooled V4 engine. This engine is the true soul of the motorcycle. Yamaha engineers designed it to deliver extreme levels of power and torque. With nearly 200 horsepower, this bike is capable of delivering explosive acceleration that few motorcycles can match. When the rider twists the throttle, the engine responds immediately and pushes the bike forward with incredible force. The V4 engine configuration plays a very important role in the bike's performance. Compared to traditional inline engines, the V4 layout provides smoother power delivery and a more compact engine design. This allows the motorcycle to produce strong acceleration while maintaining stability and balance. The engine also produces a deep and powerful sound that makes the riding experience even more exciting. Another important feature of the V-Max 17-0 is its advanced electronic fuel injection system. Unlike older motorcycles that use carburetors, this system precisely controls the fuel and air mixture entering the engine. This improves throttle response, fuel efficiency, and overall performance. The electronic throttle system also helps the rider manage the bike's massive power output, making the motorcycle easier to control. The chassis of the V-Max 17-0 is built using a strong aluminum frame. Yamaha engineers designed this frame to handle the extreme power of the engine while maintaining stability and durability. The aluminum construction helps reduce weight while providing excellent rigidity. This allows the motorcycle to remain stable during high-speed acceleration and powerful launches. The suspension system of the V-Max is also designed to support its high-performance nature. The front suspension uses strong telescopic forks that absorb bumps and keep the front wheels stable during braking and acceleration. The rear suspension features a high-quality shock absorber that helps maintain traction and stability. This combination ensures that the motorcycle remains comfortable while still delivering strong performance. Braking performance is extremely important for a motorcycle with such powerful acceleration. Yamaha equipped the Vmax 17.0 with large dual front disc brakes that provide strong stopping power. These brakes allow riders to slow down confidently even after aggressive acceleration. The braking system works smoothly and gives the rider full control over the motorcycle. Another interesting part of the Vmax design is the large air intake system located near the fuel tank. These air intakes are not just for appearance. They help feed fresh air into the powerful engine, improving combustion and overall performance. At the same time, they give the motorcycle its aggressive and futuristic look. The riding position of the Vmax 17.0 is comfortable and confident. The wide handlebars allow the rider to maintain strong control of the bike, while the seat provides support for longer rides. Unlike many sport bikes that force the rider into a very aggressive position, the Vmax allows a more relaxed posture. This makes it suitable for both city riding and highway cruising. When riding in the city, the motorcycle feels powerful but manageable. The fuel injection system ensures smooth throttle control, allowing the rider to move through traffic without difficulty. Even at low speeds, the engine provides strong torque, which means the rider does not need to shift gears constantly. However, the true personality of the Vmax appears on open roads and highways. When the rider accelerates harder, the motorcycle unleashes its full power. The engine produces a powerful surge of torque that pushes the bike forward rapidly. The feeling of acceleration is intense and exciting, giving riders a sense of pure adrenaline. Many riders describe the Vmax acceleration as addictive. The powerful engine and smooth power delivery create an experience that makes riders want to accelerate again and again. This thrilling performance is one of the main reasons why the Vmax has such a strong reputation in the motorcycle world. The Yamaha V-Max 17.0 is also popular among motorcycle collectors and enthusiasts. Because of its unique design and powerful engine, many people consider it a modern classic. Even years after its release, the bike continues to attract attention and admiration from riders around the world. Customization is another big part of the Vmax culture. Many owners install aftermarket exhaust systems, custom wheels, upgraded suspension, and performance air filters. Some riders even modify the engine to produce even more horsepower. These modifications allow owners to personalize their motorcycles and create something truly unique. Despite all the modifications and changes, the core identity of the Vmax remains the same. It is a motorcycle built around raw power, aggressive design, and thrilling performance. Every time the rider starts the engine and twists the throttle, the bike reminds them why the Vmax name has become legendary. Even today, when the Yamaha Vmax 17.0 appears on the road, it immediately captures attention. The bold styling, powerful engine sound, and incredible acceleration make it one of the most exciting motorcycles ever built. For riders who love extreme power and unforgettable riding experiences, the Vmax 17.0 continues to stand as one of the greatest muscle bikes in motorcycle history.